Hello, so today we'll be talking about the work of British artist Nick Dawes. So the way that Nick works is he begins his work from drawings and sketches which he loosely appropriates from everyday objects such as street signs, instruction manuals, and what he does is he takes from them the form and the kind of function of the individual elements. And to better understand his paintings, I'm going to show you some examples of these. So here you can see the line drawing, which is really sort of the first step that Nick is taking. And from here, he moves on to different experimentation of color that will lead eventually to the oil painting. So the way that Nick works is he uses a industrial oil paint, which he thins with a white spirit. And the thinning of this paint is really quite important because this is what creates that sort of softness to the overall painting. You get this kind of watercolor aesthetic that you don't usually have in oil painting. And the whole painting is done on unprimed canvas. So really what you have is the paint being absorbed into the canvas itself. And as this absorption is happening, the pigment and the oil sort of separate from one another. And you get these beautiful moments which really cannot be planned and are sort of these fantastic little surprises that the artist himself discovers as he's going through the process. So as he pours each layer, he sort of moves around with the canvas and takes it on that journey that he had initially planned for it in the earlier stages. And the wonderful moments of the painting are sort of those discovery moments where you start to understand and see that something like this beautiful orange here, in fact, is one of the largest areas of color in the painting. So it starts sort of from here and goes all the way up to here. So that conversation that you have with the painting is something that has many different layers. And it's always this back and forth of discovering something and seeing maybe that which isn't seen immediately as you interact with it.